thankful for the media to be here on the special occasion of the press conference for the launch of zero waste RO purifier in Tamil Nadu. Why 0% water wastage RO purifiers? If you allow me to take 2 minutes of yours, I will make a presentation on the water issues in India. Why do we require RO water purifier? As you know, there are many types of water purifiers, but RO water purifiers are important. Why they are important, I will like to touch upon them. Let's understand water has two types of problems. One is the quantity of water available for drinking. Second is the quality of water. Both things are a serious issue in this nation, and especially in Tamil Nadu, it's even more serious issue of water, drinking water. As you know, the major source of our drinking water is rivers. And the quantity of water in the rivers is depleting. We do not get sufficient water in our rivers. Therefore, to meet the shortfall of the water, we have to go to the underground water. We drill the deep bores and get into the water from the borewells. The quality issue in the water comes, especially in the rivers, is that we are polluting our rivers. Basically from pollution from industries. Industrial pollution is coming into water. And as we can see, some of the rivers look like this, a dump of all waste yards. When we come to groundwell water, we find a lot of minerals are there in this water. Undesirable minerals like arsenic and fluoride are two constants which are very problematic thing in our water. And as we are going deeper and deeper, more and more minerals are coming which are not good for drinking. And all the pesticides from the farming are coming into groundwell water. The waste from the livestock is coming into the water. Household waste is coming into water. In fact, we find whatever chemicals are produced in this world, they go all into our underground water. And all that water is causing all these problems to us. Therefore, to get a clean drinking water is essential to purify the water. So water purifier industry is gaining a lot of momentum because of this process. So how do you do point of use purifier? What we want in our point of use purifier is we must remove bacteria and virus from our water. We must remove dissolved impurities. As we said, a lot of minerals are there. Therefore, water purifier is required to remove what is dissolved in water, dissolved impurities. And the purified water must retain essential minerals in water. These are the important requirements of the purifier. It is only because of this that RO purifiers have become very prevalent practice of making pure water, because they remove what is dissolved in water, and they also remove bacteria and virus. However, there is a problem of the RO purifier which is very severe. When they remove the dissolved impurities to make it water pure, they also remove essential minerals in water. Now that's a problematic thing. To combat this problem, we came out with a mineral RO water purifier in the year 2005. In this process, we were purifying water through RO, then were making a control system to retain essential minerals in water, and subsequently we were purifying with the UV purifier. So it was a combination of RO, UV, UF and TDS controller which could give minerals in water and give you total protection. So this technology became very popular, and I am pleased to inform you that with a growth of 35%, we have just reached a 450 crore turnover, and we have a 40% market share for our mineral RO water purifiers in the market. However, even this technology was having a limitation. The limitation was it is wasting water. As you know, all RO purifiers do not give you 100% water, but they waste a little bit of water in the system. How water is wasted is given in this slide. To get a 10 liters of pure water, a normal RO purifier will waste 40 liters of water. So for every 1 liter of pure water, you waste 4 liters of water which goes down the drain. The CAN technology, which already is in use at this moment of time, as I told you in 2005, for 1 liter of water we waste only 2 liters of water. So 2 liters of water is still going as waste in our purifier. So this is our concern. To remove this concern, we have come out with this new technology, which is a patented technology, and we are commercially launching this product today in the market, which will give you no wastage of water. So if you allow me, I will unveil the product, and thereafter I will tell you how does it operate. Okay? So I will unveil this product to you.
Sir, begin, sir. Stay. Right, sir. Stay here.
Come in.
Sir, yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Sir.
Hello, sir.
Stay here. Stay. Yes. Sir.
I will just explain in 2 minutes time. What we have done in this purifier is, for instead of 40 liters, 20 liters, now we do only 10 liters of reject water. So that process has been done through a computer control system in the machine by cleaning them by element. So for 10 liters, we reject 10 liters of water. And that 10 liters of water is also stored in this appliance. It has 2 tanks, a pure water tank and a reject water tank. So 2 tanks are there. And this reject water can then be utilized by a customer for cleaning his utensils, for cleaning the floor, for gardening purposes, so that which he is using a good water, he will use from this water. So there is no wastage of water in the end. So it is going to help consumers to get the purest water for which Kent is known, simultaneously not able to waste any water. Right? This product is now in the market and will help consumers, especially in Tamil Nadu, facing a serious water problem, to get pure water and also waste no water. That's what I have to say for this. Thank you very much. Any question from the press?
How was the cost?
The cost of this product will be 18,000 rupees.
What's your market share on?
Our market share on water purifier, RO water purifier category is 40% on all India basis. Yeah.
Particular for the Tamil Nadu?
Tamil Nadu, I don't have the data for market share, but it should be in the similar zone. It should be around 40% of it. We are equally distributed in terms of sale on all India basis. Every state has more or less equal contribution to us. So I don't have the exact data, so but it should be around that zone.
After service method.
The serviceability is it's a 1-year warranty on any manufacturing defect, on any consumables to a customer.
How many units you plan to sell?
Well, we sell about 40,000 units of RO purifiers every month. Annually is about 4 lakh units. So we expect this volume to go up to at least a 1 lakh unit, about 25% should come to this particular product.
Where is your plant, sir?
Sorry?
Where is your plant?
The plant is Kent, no? And the product name is Kent Supreme.
Where is it? Plant.
Oh, plant is in Roorkee. Roorkee.
Where is it?
This is near Haridwar. You all know Haridwar? It's very near to Haridwar.
There will be different variant to this.
Absolutely. This is the first model we have come out. Now there will be another variant which will be coming up now.
Sir, what's your uniqueness between comparing to other competitors or?
Our unit is different in the sense, as I told you, a normal RO purifier removes minerals from water. Our process retains minerals in water, which is good for the human body. And our purifiers are being tested by the world's renowned laboratories like NSF and W2A, which gives a quality seal. You want to buy something, you want to buy an ISI brand, right? Why? Because you are sure of its quality. Similarly, for the water purifier, there is no ISI mark, but there is a mark in the international market by NSF and WPA. Our purifiers are approved by WPA and NSF. So these two things make a totally different product.
Sir, do you own any particular recognition from the government of India?
Yes, that's what I said. The international certification we own.
What's the name?
That's NSF, USA, and WQA, USA.
USA, NSF.
NSF in USA. NSF is a company name. It's a very big laboratory, and this is located in USA, as well as WQA, Water Quality Association.
It's in UK.
This is in US again. Yes, it is available in multi-brand outlets, big bazaars. It is available in Croma. It is available in Reliance. It's available in Viveks. It is available in Vasants. It's available in Griyas. So all the multi-brand outlets is available in Tamil Nadu.
Any plans of exclusive outlet?
Sorry?
Any plans of exclusive outlet?
Exclusive outlet, yes, we have a concept of called Ken Shopping. And do we have any Ken Shopping here? We are planning, no? We are planning Ken Shopping which will exclusively market Ken products. Yes. It will happen slowly.
Who
Yeah.
take our service?
We have number of service franchises in Tamil Nadu. We are about 40 numbers. They cater to different districts of Tamil Nadu and they are able to service the client on priority. Okay? If you have no questions, I think